So, when the summer heat gets unbearable, you just turn on your air conditioner for near instant relief. At least that's what you do here in America.
Right.
Okay. In many places around the world, there is no AC.
Yeah.
Few people have the privilege, and yet, in many of the same places, the weather is much hotter.
Okay.
Like Africa,
Mm-hmm.
South America,
Mm-hmm.
Russia. All right, maybe not Russia. China. India.
And they should just build those adobe houses.